Hey guys, so this week we are doing an 18 by 20 back patio. Pretty straightforward, should go pretty quick. Stick around for the tear out, the prep, the pour. See you then guys. Don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe.
Ando borracho, ando tomando.
I actually thought about putting 0.5% calcium in this. That's not. I did think about it. Honestly, I only do the 0.5% just so it sets up.
Casi suelta, mano mío.
Yo aquí la tengo. Ahí mero, déjame quitar el tubo.
Mucho mejor.
Mucho mejor. Beautiful.
You agree?
Yes, now we're good.
Okay.
Esto, my friend. Beautiful.
Es todo primo. Es todo primo.
Hey guys, Joe from J&M Concrete here. So pour went well, check it out. We did a checkerboard picture frame pattern. Faced this a little bit here. Everything came out really nice. We poured about a 4 slump at 7:30 in the morning. The next couple nights aren't too cold. We're getting near the time we got to start covering concrete, but came out real nice. It should cure nice and slow, but thanks for sticking around guys. Next week we have a driveway that we're going to be taking care of. Thanks for stopping by. Leave us a like, subscribe. See you then guys.